The thing actually works like it should. It should all be like dead when this thing goes off. Because if it's like that big thing y'all put all the powder in here from, it'll be like.
I mean, we're getting back. I'm getting back. Y'all ready?
Ah, come on.
Shit.
Come on.
Let the match light first. There you go.
How's your bomb gonna work in one match?
Shut up. Shut up. Oh shit.
That was pretty damn cool.
Holy crap.
Okay, come on. You gotta go across.
That was good. That better than I was expecting.
What was that? Did you get that on camera?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got it on camera.